Welcome to Top Tropicals. My name's Dave, and today I'm standing under a Royal Poinciana that we have planted here at Top Tropicals. It is a very large tree. It can get up to 60 feet tall, but most of the ones that you see around here in Florida are probably 25 to 35 feet tall and just as wide. So they make a really great shade tree here in Florida because we know it gets hot and sunny, especially in the summertime. And this tree not only is a very large, very wide tree, but it also grows very fast. So it puts on about 5 feet per year. So even if you're buying a tree that you might think is a little small, don't worry, within a year it's going to be taller than you. This tree is deciduous, but it does like full sun. And because it's deciduous, it will lose its leaves for a part of the year, but in around May time, it will actually start flowering at the same time that it puts on its new growth. So it really is a sight to see, and it has these really big, awesome red flowers with a little bit of yellow in them, and it almost looks like the tree is on fire from a distance. You've probably seen them when you're driving around in the Florida, Fort Myers, South Florida, pretty much anywhere in South Florida you see them growing. Just because they're common, that doesn't mean they're not a magnificent tree to have. It's something that I definitely want to plant someday because of its size and just it really catches the eye. We have these here at Top Tropicals for sale, and if you live somewhere that isn't here in Fort Myers, you can order them straight to your door from toptropicals.com. But if you do get some sort of frost and cold, make sure that you cover the tree. It can handle a light frost for a little bit of time, but if the tree is older, it can handle it a lot better than when it's younger. If you are local, you can come down to the Fort Myers location and you can pick one up today, or remember, go to toptropicals.com and order one straight to your door.